Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated goofy lamp, and this is Irene's equipment from California, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. This goofy lamp is highly collectible and very sought after, and people really want to have these type of lamps repaired. This unit does not work properly, and when going through the animation, the goofy lamp just clicks. So we want to troubleshoot the circuitry for the animation. We also want to troubleshoot the gear cluster pack and the servo. So we will be going through the entire lamp while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool animated goofy lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repairs, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that there is a main power switch at the back of the base of Goofy, and you always want to turn that main power switch in the off position when plugging in or unplugging the electrical line to the electrical outlet. If Goofy is going to be sitting for a long period of time, it's a good idea to keep that power switch in the off position. Now we can go ahead and start our final checkout. We have Goofy plugged into the electrical outlet, and we want to go ahead and turn the main power switch on. Now what we want to do is go ahead and turn Goofy on.
Well, that's better. Now I can see what I'm doing. Yep.
Now we're going to wait a second. It's not a good idea to turn this type of lamp on and off too quickly. We'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
Who turned out the light?
Goofy has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the lamp on and off. We'll go ahead and turn the lamp back on.
Hello? Hello?
We'll give that a second. We'll turn the unit off.
Where'd you go?
We'll turn the unit back on.
Yep, things are looking brighter already.
We'll go ahead and give that a second. We'll turn the unit off.
Gosh, sure is dark all of a sudden.
And we'll go ahead and turn the lamp on one last time.
I got a bright idea. Just have to remember what it is.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Goofy lamp has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Irene, and she can enjoy this Goofy lamp once again. I'm sure Goofy's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.